What's going on, campers? In today's episode, I want to go over a brand new floor plan by Sunset Park RV. This is a SUNLITE 14 FD. So come with me and let's check out the brand new Sunset Park SUNLITE floor plan. All right, coming to you from Open House in Elkhart, Indiana, I want to show you the 14 FD. That stands for front dinette. You'll notice some similarities between this and the 149, but the big difference is this is a SUNLITE with an electric awning. Comes with a 2-inch ball up front, manual tongue jack, a spot for two 20-pound propane tanks, the L-shaped bracket for the battery and the battery disconnect switch, 4 stab jacks, 1 at each corner. We've got our marker lights, 6-gallon gas water heater, oh, this one does look like it has the electric heater as well, water heater as well. Outside shower with hot and cold water, 30 amp power cord. Down here is a dump station. We have a dump station for the toilet and a dump station for the drains. Toilets, your black and your sewer. Drains are your gray. And those are all your shower drain and your sink drain. This comes with 235/75 R15-inch tires on the sport package. Pass-through storage in the back with access underneath the bed. We can see our fresh water tank in there as well. This is built for boondocking and campground camping. City connections when you're going to pressurized water systems at the campground. And freshwater fills when you're filling up your tank and you're going boondocking and you need that water pump. This is just like the 149, but it has that square back end. So now we can put on that electric awning. We have that square bumper in the back to store things inside. Little curve at the back side to make it a little unique. Here's the other side of the pass-through storage with the luggage door holders. We have a light underneath, easy access under the bed, double step, solid step entrance to get in with a little kitchen vent, outside plug, heater exhaust, and outside propane connection. This also has that infamous screen door that's hard to get into. Nice size screen door handle or entry door handle. Inside we have storage underneath the benches. We have a 36-inch bench here with the upgraded table now. Windows for cross breeze. Little storage behind the dinette. Into our 12-volt fridge with double doors. Nice little freezer section up top. Carbon monoxide detector and fuse box down below. Little lock on there so you can lock in travel mode while you're driving. Overhead cabinet with a shelf on top of the fridge. You have your fridge switch and USB plugs. Rooftop AC with a Furrion 8000. Smoke detector, all the lights. We're wired for a TV in here. Now we're going into the wet bath. Back here we have our full-size bed, and now we have that overhead cabinetry. We don't have to feel all claustrophobic, and we have that third window in here. That is huge. It definitely turns it right into that SUNLITE series and gets you away from that Sunray adventure style. Underneath with the pass-through storage access. Now into our full kitchen with a 2-burner stove, a sink, under sink storage. Over here into the drawer. And I don't have exact specs on this model yet because it's that new, but we've got to guess it's going to be close to that 2,500 pound range with that 8 foot wide, 9 foot 11 inches high, and 16 foot 2 inches long. We've got our thermostat, USB plugs and household outlets there, overhead cabinet right next to the microwave. We also have 190 watts up top, and we have our master control panel with the awning, the control switches for our lights, our water pump and water heater, and our levels for our battery and our water. And here is Elkhart, Indiana at Open House.
All right, we've reached the end of the video. I greatly appreciate you all for sticking around. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. I'll see you all next week. Bye, everybody.